फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग द CAA। आप लोग को मालूम है 2019 में जामिया ने इसका जामिया के स्टूडेंट्स ने इसका खुलेआम तौर पे विरोध किया था और हम अब उसी स्टैंड पे जो है अभी भी फर्म है। Here we are announcing our legacy of resistance. We will be continuing our resistance. So here we called you for the press conference। जो जामिया के स्टूडेंट्स का इस बिल पे टेक है वो मैं आपके सामने पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ। उसके बाद आपके कुछ भी सवाल हो, यहाँ पे तमाम संगठन के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मौजूद हैं, आप उनसे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अल्फाज है और मैं यहाँ का स्टूडेंट हूँ जामिया का। सो जामिया मिल्लिया इस्लामिया रेजिस्ट CAA। Jamia students organizing a press conference at gate number 7. Jamia Millia Islamia opposing the government decision to implement Citizenship Amendment Act. On 11th March 2024, the RSS-led BJP government issued a notification that the rules for the implementation of CAA will be released on the same date. The rules for the implementation of CAA were released later that day, and that put forward the question once again in front of the people of India, the draconian policy of the Indian state in its desperate efforts to transform India into a fascist Hindu Rashtra. The issue here is not focusing more on the content of the rules, because ultimately it is for the purpose of implementing Citizenship Amendment Act, which in itself is patently unjust, discriminatory and divisive, and was opposed 4 years back as well. What is more concerning is that the bill got implemented one day before the SBI is supposed to give a detailed account of the electoral bonds. The implementation of the bill at this time is a clear tactic being used by the Modi government for polarization and to gather more votes in the name of Hindutva before the upcoming 2024 general elections, as the RSS BJP is also in a desperate attempt to sideline these issues regarding the electoral voting machines and electoral bonds to facilitate the complete corporate fascist hijack of the Indian political regime without any scope for the people's resistance. For Jamia students, CAA is not a new question. We have an experience of organizing a people's uprising against the CAA, NRC and NPR, which stood up for more than 3 months from before 2019 to March 2022. The movement faced massive repression from the fascist state and its instruments of oppression like police, bureaucracy, RSS outfits, etc. Many activists such as Miran Haider, Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam, Shifa Rahman, Gulfisha Fatima and many more who led the movement were charged with UAPA and under draconian laws and were put in prison. Ultimately, in the name of COVID-19 pandemic, the government got the opportunity to suppress our movement. Many are still in jail, and now through intense militarization, Jamia has become an open jail where protesting itself has become a crime. Now the government has brought back CA once again to implement RSS primary objective of transforming secular India into a Brahmanical Hindu Rashtra, where Muslims will be declared as secondary citizens without being considered as human beings. Gowalkar, who was the leader of RSS, in his bunch of thoughts declared that there are 3 enemies: Muslims, Christians and communists. Currently in this project, the Muslims are the primary enemies in front of the Sangh, tagging Muslims as outsider, invaders and terrorists in their tactics to create a Hindu-Muslim polarization. This law, which provides citizenship based on religion by selectively excluding Muslims from getting citizenship, goes against the concept of secularism, which is a basic principle of the Constitution of India. That is why we, the students of Jamia Millia Islamia, organized under the banner of different organizations, are condemning this anti-Muslim, undemocratic and outrightly fascist law and the government decision to implement this law. This is just the beginning of the struggle. Jamia students will continue our struggle by uniting the people against the draconian CAA, NRC and NPR. Finally, we have our 3 demands. The first demand is to repeal the Citizenship Amendment Act. The second demand is release all students booked in the anti-CAA movement and withdraw all the cases charged against the students and the people. The third demand is to demilitarize our campus, which you can see all around. Thank you so much. Now, if you have any question, we have the representative from different organizations. You can pose the question, they will answer your questions. Thank you.
आजादी 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 आजादी